Next, below that, we have a measurement tool. So this is just to measure the distance either going down or upwards. So we can see that this was a 21.62% drop to this candle right here, and this was for 31 bars, which is equivalent to 46 days. So this is very good because you get to see some data right here on the chart just by using the measuring ruler tool. And just below that, we've got an icon that we can use to zoom into the chart. So if you select this, you can actually zoom into the chart using your mouse. All you'd have to do is just select a section on the chart that you'd like to zoom into, and you'll be able to zoom into the chart so you can actually see these candlesticks. Now to zoom out, you just simply select the zoom out button and you go back to the original chart that you were on.